How to immigrate to Canada? In terms of immigration, Canada is one of the most popular countries in the world thanks to its beautiful nature, safety, prosperous economy, friendly people, quality education and health system, and a generally high standard of living. For several years, Canada has been recognized by the United Nations as one of the best countries to live. Also attracted by having a Canadian passport because with it you can travel to almost all countries in the world without applying for a travel visa. Right now, Canadian passport is considered as the 5th strongest passport in the world. Its holders can travel to 185 countries in the world. To get it, you have to apply for Canadian citizenship. More about that later. Canada supports dual citizenship so you can have both a Canadian passport and passport of your native country. Although Canada, unlike the United States, is a relatively open country for new immigrants, the immigration process itself is not easy and many requests are being rejected by Canadian authorities. And for that is there are currently around 60 different immigration programs available, and you have to choose very carefully. There are different visa categories in the complex Canadian immigration process, like permanent residency visa, student visa, business visa, work visa, visit visa, etc. And they all have different conditions and take different time to arrange. As I said before, don't expect it to be easy. I strongly suggest you to contact a specialized Canada immigration agency to help you with the whole process. More about it later. Key requirements for all Canada immigration programs. Although there are many different immigration programs and visa types, there are some basic requirements that all applicants have to meet. Language proficiency. Each applicant has to prove he has a certain knowledge of one of 2 official Canada languages, English or French. This has to be done by a certified agency like IELTS, International English Language Testing System. Education level. You have to attach ECA report, educational credential assessment to your request to prove your education. Health status. You also need to provide deep health report from a certified medical facility to prove you don't pose a threat from a medical point of view. Most used immigration programs. Here are programs that were used the most by people to immigrate to Canada in the last few years. Federal Skilled Workers and Professionals Program. The most widespread way to get permanent residence in Canada. Applicants are selected for the Skilled Workers and Professionals, also called Express Entry Program, based on their ability to become economically active in Canada. Each applicant should meet at least one of the following criteria. To have an offer from a Canadian employer for a specific job position, or to have work experience, the more the better, in one of the 38 selected occupations, or to have at least 1 year experience as a temporary foreign worker or international student. In addition to that, applicants must prove they have financial resources to live in Canada for 6 months after arrival, not needed if they have an approved job offer. Provincial Nomination Program, PNP. Each province offers the possibility of immigration if you possess a skill or experience for which there is a high demand in a particular province. Most provinces in Canada, currently 10 including Ontario, Alberta, British Columbia, etc., do participate in this program, and they have different requirements based on their actual needs. Each PNP applicant must first apply for a provincial nomination certificate, and after receiving it, an individual has to apply for Canadian permanent resident visa. Successful PNP applicants will receive priority processing for their permanent residency applications. There are lots of other immigration programs like Family Class Sponsorship, allows Canadian citizens or permanent residents to sponsor family members who wish to immigrate to Canada. Business immigration, designed for individuals who can contribute to Canadian economy with investments. Canadian Experience Class, for international students or temporary workers who would like to become Canadian permanent residents. But those are programs designed for very specific groups of people. Want to know more? Wait for a detailed explanation for each immigration program in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.